Less children have joined, 22 so far. We are going to do the maths work, and I want all the children to present in time. Na? Then only the maths concept we can discuss properly.
Yes.
Okay, now you'll have page number M16, where exercise 2.5 we had started, and I had told you to go through it and write the answers. We'll check the answers and then we'll go on the next lesson. Okay. Okay, exercise 2.5, the first one. Put a tick if the number is divisible and cross if the number is not divisible. That also the other day we had discussed, if you remember. Yes or no? Do you all remember? Yes. Now 102. Whether the number is divisible by 2? Yes. Put a tick. Divisible by 3? Yes. Put a tick. How will you check? You are going to first check the last digit. If it is even number, Siddharth, then it is divisible by 2. How will you check for 3? Divisibility test of 3 is what? Add all the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 2. Answer comes as 3. So 3 is divisible by 3? Yes. 4. You have to check last 2 digits which are not divisible by 4. So give a cross. Okay, and for the numbers 5, 8, 9, 10 cross, right? Because there is no 5 at the end, no 0 at the end. So 5 and 10 are ruled out, cross. Okay, see the next number again. 7. 7 is odd number or even number? 57. 7 is odd or even? Odd number. Can we divide it by 2? No. So cross. Can we divide it by 3? We'll check it out. 5 plus 7. What is the answer?
12.
12. Correct. We can divide 12 by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So likewise, you are going to, check and you are going to write the answers. Come on. Let's revise part. Come on. Are you all ready? Hurry up. No other talk. Only I want answers. Siddharth, someone is talking at your place.
Teacher.
Siddharth and Aryan, please tell your parents not to talk there behind. Okay, now take the correct answer of each of the following. A. Which is the correct answer here? Dash is a factor of all numbers. Which is a factor of all numbers? 0? No. 1, 2, 3. Which is a common factor for all?
1.
1. So second one is right. Write there one answer. We are talking about the factor. So when you are, going through all such exercises, factor and multiple.
Lesson number 2.
Who is talking there? Please don't talk. Whole class gets disturbed. I have told you yesterday in the meeting also, I want an interaction with children. If you talk, the whole class gets disturbed. One family member speaks, the whole class is disturbed. That please tell at your place, or you mute your audio. You can mute your audio, Siddharth. Don't go away, only mute it. Not video, audio, I said.
Haryana.
Okay, go on next. B. The smallest non-zero multiple. No factor and multiple. Keep that in mind. Non-zero multiple of a number is. Multiple means what? What is the answer? Whatever the answer. 2 ones are 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. Right? 4 is a multiple of 2. So the number itself, the number itself, non-zero multiple is a number itself. Multiple means the product, the answer which you get after you multiply. Okay, very good. See now, still someone is talking there at someone's place. That's too much, children. See, the product of all odd numbers between
आता तो आपण फ्लो टेस्ट घेतला ना, आपण तासच केलाय तो. काय मजा नाही राव त्याच्यात. बरोबर.
हे कोण बोलतंय मजा नाही राव वगैरे, प्लीज तुमच्या घरच्यांना सांगा आता बोलू नका.
बॉईल अँड त्याच्यामध्ये जा ना.
स्वप्नील स्वप्नील
Okay, now the product of all odd numbers
तो म्हणतोय.
between 3 and 9 is the product.
नाही तो नाही रे. नावी सह विचारून
Product means the answer. 3 and 9 in between. What is that? Tell me. How are you going to check?
We have to multiply 3 and 9.
No. In between 3 and 9.
तू विचार कर बरं, ह्या लोकांनी PCB कोणतं पकड.
I didn't understand this question.
Okay, look here. Children, the product of odd numbers in between. Odd number पाहिजेत आपल्याला. Okay, so which numbers are odd here? 3, 5, 7 in between, right?
Teacher, exercise. Okay, like this.
What did you say?
Which exercise?
अजून एक आपल्याला ऑफर आली होती.
Let's revise.
Let's revise C exercise.
59 lakhs म्हणतोय. 59 lakhs म्हणतोय तो.
कोणीतरी खूप बोलतंय मागे, मला काय करावं ते समजत नाहीये. 3 जा.
Shreyas.
No, please don't talk there. Okay. Afterward, I'll write it out here for you and I'll explain it to you. Okay. C, for C. Look, your product means the answer. When you multiply two numbers, you get the answer, right? The product of all odd numbers between. Okay, come on, tell me first the odd numbers in between. Odd numbers means in between, after 3, 5 and 7. 7. No, before 9 only, right? 5 and 7. So 7, 5 are 35. Answer is 35. Understood, children? In between numbers, odd numbers are what? 5 and 7. So multiply those numbers and take the product. It is 35. It is 35.
I understand.
Okay.
अंडरस्टूड
Soham?
द्यायचं म्हणून दिले.
Soham understood? Fine. हे कोणाच्या तरी घरात प्लीज बोलताय, तुम्ही सांगू नाही का शकत आहात? ऑडिओ म्यूट करा. कोणाच्या घरात असतील तुम्ही तुमचा ऑडिओ.
Yes,
Then how can you speak, right? Speak, your speaker should be off then. Siddharth, keep your speaker off. Okay, now see D exercise. D1, the number which has 2 as a factor but not 4 is. For 4, what do? We check last 2 digits, right? And for 2, we see only the last number. 16, it can be for 2, but the number which has 2 as a factor but not 4. For first one, 4 is also a factor and 2 is also a factor. Come on. For second one, can we divide second one by 2 also and by 4 also? Can we divide 26 by 4? When we talk about a factor, we divide. When we talk about a factor, we divide and see. Can we divide it by 4? 26. Can we divide it by 4 completely? Swapnil, completely? No. So this is our answer. Okay, we'll go and check the next 2. 24. Can be divided by 2 also and can be divided by 4 also. Correct? It comes in the table of also, and it comes in the table of 4 also. And the last number 32. We can divide it by 2 also, and we can divide it by 4 also. Have you understood? So our right answer is 26, which can be divided by 2 but cannot be divided by 4. Because it is not a factor of 4, it cannot get divided completely. Okay? Chalo, now fill in the blanks. 1 is a, write their factor. Correct. I'm so happy to get the answer. 1 is a factor of every number. Write their factor. Now, suppose such type of question comes in the paper, you can have a rough notebook and check over there. Now you all tell me, factors of 16 are, 1 will be always there, correct? Then you can divide it by 2 also, correct? Can you divide it by 3? No. So write there 1, then 2. Can you divide it by 4? Yes, 4 4 is 16. So 4 is also a factor. Can you divide it by 5, 6, 7? No. But you can divide it by 8. Now you know the divisibility test also. So go with that. 8, yes. And 16. Who is that, Soham? What haven't you understood, Soham?
That factors of 16 are.
And 9 also.
Factors, how will you check the factors? You know, each number has factor 1 and the number itself, isn't it? And then you divide it by the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and you check it out. Now you know the divisibility test also. Can you divide 16 by 2? Yes. First factor is 1. Can you divide it by 2? Yes. Can you divide it by 3? No. 6 plus 1, 7. You know the divisibility test. You cannot divide it by 3. Can you divide it by 4? Yes. 4 4 is 16. It gets completely divisible. There is no remainder. Correct. So 4 is a factor. 8 is a factor. Come on, divide and see. 8 to the 16. Correct. Isn't it? 8. And the last one is the 16 number itself. 16 divided by 16. 1 is the answer. Correct. 1 and the number itself will be always there, and in between factors you need to see. Correct? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see. 57 is a which type of number it is? Which type of number? 57.
57.
Can it has only 2 factors, prime or composite. Prime or composite. Tell me.
Composite.
Can you divide it by any other number? Come on, have your divisibility test. Now you know the divisibility test. Can you divide by 2? No. Can you divide by 3? No. Can you divide by 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. So go on checking it out. So it is a
Composite.
57 is a prime number. Come on, add the number and see na. 5 plus 3, you cannot divide. 2, you cannot divide. 5, you cannot divide. 10, no. 4, no. 8, no. So it is not coming in any of the table. It has got only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. The number itself and 1. So it is a prime number. It is a prime number. On check right there, PRIME.
पकडलं का?
Ananya, can you hear me?
आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये नाहीच आहे ना कुठं, त्याचं कॉमनच आहे आपल्यामध्ये. आपल्यामध्ये कॉमनच आहे.
Okay, now tell me last answer, children. Tell, come on, read it out fast. First, 5 multiples of 3 are. What are the 5 multiples of 3?
6, 9, 12, 15.
Say the table. 3 ones are 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Say the table of 3. Yes. 3 ones are 3, 3 the 6. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the first 5. Ananya, can you hear me? I have given a message, but I staying in the village there now with the grandparents. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now you all fold your hands and sit quietly. You are going to talk about the next lesson. I'm going to mute you all because someone is continuing. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes. Say Ananya.
Teacher Ananya is sending message. She is saying, "No, ma'am, I can't hear you."
Then how will she understand?
Ananya can hear me.
No. Okay, Ananya, you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
she is not able to listen her lecture from there, from village. So I am recording it here,
Yes.
and I will send it.
So the thing is that otherwise you can give her a mobile, and I'll just keep a mobile in hand, my mobile, and the way I'm speaking, so because I'm basically having an interaction.
Yes,
So
I'm
I was
recording.
just
I'm
asking
recording
for-
screen. I'm doing screen recording. So I will record
Oh,
it
no
and I will send her.
No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, no problem. Otherwise, she can call me. I can have a mobile in hand, and as in how I'm speaking,
She's having
she can hear. Anyhow.
network problem. Okay, ma'am.
Anyhow, no problem. Thank you. Okay. Now, children, we are going to do the next part, and I am going to mute you all as I want to talk to you about the next lesson, and I want you all to do it with full concentration. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Very good. Children, it may end soon, doesn't matter. But tomorrow onward, we are going to have, one EVS period also for maths, because maths, I need lot of interaction. All the whatever now in the new lesson we are going to see, it is somewhat new to you all. Okay. So unnecessarily don't get confused. Just have the, concept in mind clearly. Once I say a word like multiple or a factor, go back, think, what do we mean by multiple? What do we mean by factor? And then try to recollect that and then go and solve the sum. Okay. Then you will not get confused. Once it is there in your head, in your mind, you'll be able to do it nicely. Okay. Now, children, in the last lesson, we have done the common, multiple part also. We wrote the tables and we found the common multiples. Yes, do you all remember? First, you all tell me, what do we mean by multiples? When we write a table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 2, 4, 6, 8 are all the multiples of 2. You take whichever number you multiply to 2, and the answer is a multiple of that number. So as you all know, multiples are unlimited, isn't it? You may have it in thousands, isn't it? So a single number has got many multiples, isn't it? So do you all remember that? Come on, nod, yes or no? Yes, Swapnil? Because someone was talking continuously, I have now muted you all, which I wanted you all to have an interaction with me. Let it be. Okay, so this is what the first concept is. Now, in the lesson, what they have told us is, see, the remember part. Okay, the remember part, I'm going to write it up here in my notebook, and I'm going to show you. Okay, are you all ready? Come on, sit straight. Pay complete attention here. Full concentration. Now for maths, so you need more concentration, children. Okay, as I have told yesterday also in the meeting, that here across on the screen, more of attention is needed. There in the class, I am there, so I can point out, come on, this one, pay attention, have you understood this dot? But here it is little difficult. Okay, now remember part. Come on, you all have your book, page number M18. Page number M18. And you are going to read the part which I am explaining to you now. Don't go on reading anyhow whatever there in the book now. You will get confused unnecessarily. So you just go with me, okay? Come on, what is the first point in the remember part? Come on, read it out. I am going to write it here and I am going to show it to you. The first point they have given is 0 is a multiple of every number. We are now talking about a multiple. Yes, we all know it. 0 is a multiple of every number. But we get the answer as 0 only. We multiply 2 zeros are 0, isn't it? Yes. So 0, yes, it is a multiple of every number. This is point number 1. This is a remember part which we have seen it in the previous lesson, but I am going to talk to you again. Listen carefully. Point number 2, the smallest. Smallest, children, you all know it well. Non-zero multiple of a number is the number itself. Now 0 is a multiple of every number, but we will not take into consideration 0, but we will exclude 0. And if we multiply 2, see here, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So what is the next point is explaining to us? Non-zero multiple of a number is a number itself. So if we will not consider 0 and will start with 1, 2 ones are 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2, which is a number itself. 3, Siddharth, pay attention now. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a multiple of 3, which is a number itself. 4 ones are 4. 4 is a multiple of 4, which is a number itself. Are you all getting me? So the first multiple, if we will not consider the 0, will be the number itself. And which is the smallest multiple of the number? Smallest multiple of the number. Is it possible, children, for us to find out the biggest multiple of a number? No, it is not possible, because we can multiply it by lakhs, by millions, by trillions. So we cannot find out the biggest multiple of any number. But smallest we know. Smallest is the number itself. Smallest multiple of a number is number itself. Have you all understood? Have you all understood? 0 is a multiple of every number, and the smallest multiple is the number itself. Yes, Swapnil, have you understood? Very good. Anvaya's hand is up. Very good. I'm so happy. Sarthak, have you understood? Swapnil, understood? Very good. Now, the every non-zero multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. What do you mean by this? 2 ones are 2. So either it is equal or greater. You will not consider the zero multiple. If we start considering the other multiples, 2 ones are 2. So 2 is equal. 2 ones are 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2, which is equal, or greater will be what then? 4, 6. So the multiples we find in the numbers are either equal or greater. Correct? Yes? Are you all getting this? Come on, try to recollect what we have seen it in the previous lesson. And now the last point. There is no greatest multiple of a number as the multiples of a number are endless, about which I talked to you. Correct? So all the 4 points are clear to you? All the 4 points are clear to you? Shall I open your audios and ask you now? Because this is very, very important for you all to know. Okay, now one by one, tell me. First point is what? Say. You all read it out.
Zero is a multiple
of every number.
Every number. Come on, go on next. Second. The
Smallest non-zero multiple of number is the number itself.
Number itself always. Okay. Every non-zero
multiple is the greatest than the equal or the number.
Greater. One, the two will be the equal number or greater means 4, 6 are either equal or greater, not below that. कोणाच्या घरात इतकं सारखं बोलतायत आणि तिला मी सांगितलंय काल मीटिंग मध्ये पण सांगितलंय प्लीज तुमचा हे ऑडिओ म्यूट करा तुम्हाला तिथे बोलायचं असेल सगळा क्लास डिस्टर्ब होतोय. Children, you find out at whose place the parents are talking and you mute your audio. Last point, point number 4. There is no
multiple of a number as the multiples of a number are endless.
The multiples of
Have you all understood? Understood? That's fine.
Yes.
Yes. Now we were talking
Yes.
multiples. Now the next part, children, as you all know, when we always talk about the factors.